Well, hey guys, John here from Big Dreams Travel, and just going to do a quick video. I'll check in a few times, and we're going to ride Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure at Universal's Islands of Adventure at the close of the park, and show you how long that takes us, and see if this is something you might want to do with your family to ride Hagrid's with a shorter wait time. If you're going to Universal Orlando or need help planning any vacation, make sure you subscribe to our channel and visit us at BigDreamsTravelUSA.com. Our dream designers will walk with you every step of the way. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell, and we will see you in just a minute. All right, here we go in. The wait posted is 90 minutes. We will see what it actually is. All right, so we're in line, and you can probably barely see. I grabbed a butterbeer before I got in line. We'll see how long this really takes, but like I said, it was posted 90 minutes. I got in line at 9:58. Park closes at 10, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, here is where I stopped first, right before we go in the building, so pretty close to being inside. All right, just an update. It is 10:02, and I am in the pre-show. So about 4 minutes after I entered the line, I'm in the pre-show. So we will check in a little bit. All right, so we are off of Hagrid's, and this is something I definitely suggest if you're looking to do Hagrid's with a short wait. It was posted 90 minutes. I got in line 1 minute before the park closed, and it took me 26 minutes. It's 10:36 right now, and I've already walked down to Seuss Landing where I had a little light to do this, but 26 minutes, so highly recommend that. Of course, you never know what might happen during a day, and you probably can't count on it 100%, but this was a crowded day. This is the Saturday of President's Day weekend, and so it was very crowded all day today. The Hagrid's line was 150 minutes, about an hour before close. But again, I waited 26, so definitely suggest doing that, especially while the ride doesn't have Express Pass. You can get on it. You can get on it in pretty short wait if you can make it till the end of the night. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel here at Big Dreams Travel, and we would love to help you plan your next vacation. So give us a visit at BigDreamsTravelUSA.com and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.